we get KUNLE IDOWU, aka Frank Donga for inside studio. And a little bit down now, get one person we're supposed to come early. He now come.
Now so the people they.
Now some people think they miss heaven.
It was said and say make you reach here 7:31, 13 seconds. You go collect $15,000.
You know if I don't come quick, Now this you see anyway, Ashley, Stephanie there for inside studio. Join us. Welcome, Ashley. Stephanie,
what be your name? Ashley or Stephanie?
Ashley, which one be your name?
That's not my name.
That's okay. What's your surname?
I'm so sorry that I caught you very late. I'm sorry. I was coming from very far.
You know how to speak pidgin?
Of course.
I speak pidgin.
I didn't come from the mainland today.
Oh, come now. They come from.
No, you know now. Now, but
I can speak pidgin now, though.
No,
before I wasn't speaking, but now.
Wait, okay. Where you from, Kim?
She's from Cameroon.
I'm from Cameroon.
No, for Bantro. So why you speak like now? So Cameroon people they speak.
Which language do they speak for Cameroon?
French.
French.
Yeah.
Speak French with me.
Oh.
Je le trouve de voix.
Oh, tu parles français toi?
Je parle français. De l'époque
Oui.
Oui. We know how to speak French. You see, let me speak our own. Je te vois là.
Oui, là tu gars.
I'm telling you.
Even the station is French station. It's we.
It's we.
We too.
Oh my God.
Anyway,
so
Ashley.
Ashley, Stephanie, what be your surname?
Ashley, in the look for work. He get work for. Say your CV to him. Tell him.
I don't get liver to give someone like this work.
No, wait first.
Make him sell himself. Sell yourself to her.
No, it's just because I don't know how much she can afford. Because any amount, because it's not today I will start this work.
Bros, leave that talk. You do like this. No, je ne pense pas qu'il cherche le travail, non. I don't think so.
Mais c'est vrai. Je cherche.
Tu parles français?
Non, un peu. Si tu veux parler avec moi.
You see that? We don't carry our French speaking spirit. Release to them.
Oh my God! Wow, génial.
So make him sell you himself, you know.
You see that? Génial, je pas tout va.
Oui.
That je pas tout va now. Now be the main thing.
In français.
In français. You see, when somebody say yeah, je pas tout va.
Oui.
That's the difference.
It's a course.
It become an
course.
Na course. But if something say short is strong, where? They say je vas tout va agoha.
Oui.
Forget that. If they add agoha inside, then you don't forget that you don't blow.
Oh my God.
I they tell you. You never listen to that.
No, think I'm serious. No.
Think I'm no
if
play.
you think I'm. You
Think
go say yes.
Je vas tout va. Okay. Now tell me, that song. How you go take to say using it inside a sentence? Say song don't blow. Je vais tout va agoha. Now IzyBeatz about that song reggae blues. What do you have to say about that song?
Fa do fa agoha now.
Je vais tout va agoha. You mean say the song don't blow?
Yes.
Now this Ashley Stephanie song movie. How do you say it? Je vais tout va agoha. It means say it don't blow.
Although we don't know your surname.
We don't know.
But I don't learn new French.
Yes,
my sister. This if you try this French anywhere,
anytime you enter the studio, come with your pencil and your paper.
We teach language here.
Yes, new things every day. Who the coffee? My see me.
I think with you guys, I can go to 10 languages. So
straight up.
because
Straight
now
up.
I'm just 5, so I can.
Yeah.
What will be the 5 language if you speak?
Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese,
And English. Only you.
So
that for the 419.
what is the other one?
Is it okay now? Quickly.
That's why Infit give Frank job.
Now make you give Frank the look for work. Say your CV. Say your CV.
International baby.
We are looking for work. So we are professional. Any professional work, we can handle it. Maybe you have a company now, you're looking for CEO and founder, because that's the thing now. MD, you can call us. And all the other companies we run to and we run. So some of them, they didn't run straight. Some people, they run like this, other like that. Some people, they run, but, we won't run it for you. We'll give you discounts too. Any amount you have.
So now you're looking for jobs.
See Ashley. Ashley shop.
Human beings are like water. Maybe we can meet in future now. Maybe we can meet in Japan. Anywhere.
Okay, good evening. Who they on the line? Good evening. Hello, Osas. Osas, how you doing?
I'm fine.
We get Ashley, Stephanie, and Frank Donga. KUNLE IDOWU, aka Frank Donga, inside studio. Talk to us. We hear you.
Then I say, Bender Brewery for Benin, it don't close.
Bender Brewery from Benin say it don't close.
So if you be the founder and the CEO, make you go start the invest for there.
Any amount you have, we can manage it.
No. If the place don't close now, now you are the founder and CEO of the company. So
Bender Brewery.
we don't put padlock for the door. So you have to come to the founder again. The founder.
Thank you.
This is like IzyBeatz brother.
From Warri, Rosie from Warri, good evening.
Where law now?
I don't know where Law go. Rosie from Warri, good evening. Rosie, hello.
Where you go to?
Agbev, where they? Now, actually, Stephanie, tell us about this your new song, movie. You just enter from other songs, beautiful songs. Where you just enter movie. Tell us about this new song, movie.
You know, movie. Life is a movie.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Movie is just about love. I just, I decided to break that barrier because when I came to Africa the first time, I had issues
Africa.
with...
I go to UK from Africa. Cameroon, no, the Africa.
No, she not stay for Cameroon.
I'm a born Cameroonian, but I grew up in Spain. That's why Spanish is my first language now, because I grew up in Spain, and I moved from Spain to the UK 7 years ago. So I always come and go, like come for concerts and go and come. But the first time I came, it was very difficult because the pidgin language, like, I'm always curious to speak languages.
So as you did, so you know if you speak the pidgin?
Now I speak pidgin.
You speak it.
Don't say Ajangbadi.
Are they Chris?
Say Ajangbadi.
Ajangbadi.
Okoko Michael Balende.
Okoko Michael Balende.
Okay.
Actually, Stephanie, what you this guy na Igbo girl from Bunga local government area of Imo State.
That's it.
I love to learn new things.
Okay, tell us about this your new song. This your new song.
Why you call a movie?
Why you call a movie?
I call it movie because, I also grew up watching Telemundo in Spain. Every 4 o'clock, you'll be watching telenovelas and all that. So
where they always call from Spain?
Spain. What's that name? It's Sly.
¿Chico que llama de España?
Es España. Oui. Bene, le español, le italo, le... Chinois.
Yo estoy usando la mano derecha.
Este hombre...
Bene.
Joder, ¿tú hablas español
bene,
también?
yo sé bene.
Joder. Este hombre también habla español. ¿Tú hablas español?
Bene.
Y se está cogiendo con la mano derecha. That you are holding that with your... Oh, he speaks Spanish. Everything. He speaks French. He speaks Spanish.
He speaks everything. That's why we say you fit give and walk now.
Okay, Mother, before we go back to Ashley Stephanie, now let us make KUNLE. Now, KUNLE, good evening. How you doing?
Very well, thank you, sir.
So how the whole idea of Frank Donga take come up?
Basically started back from school. I used to do impressions of my class teachers, my friends, and my family.
So you will be one of those students. Instead of to sit down learn for class, they will go stand in front of class, go say, who used to do like this? Come on in class. So you be one of those kind of students.
So now what did they do for school with that?
Something close to that.
So now when you can't enter this Frank Donga skits properly, begin to make money. And all those things what they do. Now something will happen to you for life. I've been waiting. I've been a script in the play.
So I was working for an online TV platform. I was a DOP editor, an animator. I do stuff like that. So I was at work one day, and the idea just hit me, because I know people like that, and I've always wanted, before then I used to, give talks at functions. I always wanted to inspire people, young people, especially Nigerians, graduates who went for job interviews but didn't get the few jobs they were complaining, no job. The few jobs that were around, people didn't do well at the interviews. So I felt, and it was primarily because a lot of people were too intimidated by the orgas on the other side of the table, and they didn't do their homeworks, and then they were not telling the truth. Those 2-3 things. So I would look for a way to send a message out, to people. I didn't want to go the conventional way of, writing a book, blogging about it. Say, let me make myself that person so that they can see that, Wow. But all that other mannerism is from...
Now, for people to watch Frank Donga, because most people don't know the character Frank Donga, some people don't know. Now, for people to watch Frank Donga, apart from YouTube, which other places they go figure?
Well, I have an Instagram account.
Okay, if you give them your Instagram account.
Frank Donga _. That's
Frank Donga _.
Why this Donga? Where you see? Where's it?
Where's it make the name Donga?
Where's it got me Donga?
Frank Donga is actually a real person's name. Yeah, I mean, I know, right? I think it was a German person. The guy came.
So you take his name?
No, his name is for everybody now.
Name for everybody.
So you feel sit down here say your name is James Bond.
Actually, they speak 5 languages. How come Ashley speak French to you? You speak French back. Ashley speak Spanish for you. You speak. How many languages do they speak?
That's good.
It's just play. It's just
That wasn't play at all.
I didn't know.
Yeah, my brother.
That wasn't play.
So make it. You don't look me and Nedu finish. Come to say if you do your eye.
We understand. We know these languages. We know just one day because if we say could use Spanish, they present people not understand.
Now go ahead.
We can speak good English.
Oh, now go ahead.
We can speak good English. If me and Nedu want to open our mouth now and speak English, my God, you wouldn't know us anymore.
You see the fear?
Yes.
I love
Okay,
languages.
you say, hey, you know, say, I dey like, you know what make me like French? The way they take the way you go see guy, go talk to girl, the way they do blah blah. Toast time for French, man say.
But you say in there.
Wait. Toast time for French.
Oh la la.
See, Ashley done the blush already.
Chérie,
Oh.
tu es très magnifique.
Woo! Wait. Now continue. Continue.
You know,
I
we
beg
talk
now.
too much now.
So that you can use it to color B.
No.
Tu as dit quoi, chérie?
Shadi kwa Sheyi? If you want to Sheyi.
No, he
Our
said,
camera
no,
guy, now they call so no. Sheyi don't go house.
No, he said, chérie, tu es trop magnifique.
Oh, you are very magnificent.
But I asked him, so what did you say? Because I want to hear that again.
Hey, say it again. Sheyi, what about mama the flicking you? Hey! Oh! Sheyi, what the flick? Even like mannequin.
Why be saying anytime people they language say me the teeth and toasting, bad
But
thing.
you know
But you know bad thing, the first use take start for language.
That's true.
Now, Ashley, we're not to get time because you come very, very early. Now you have to come back on the show.
So also,
Frank, KUNLE IDOWU. Now, KUNLE IDOWU. Now, Frank Donga, now. KUNLE IDOWU will come back to the show when we say now KUNLE IDOWU will face. And then Ashley, Stephanie, next week. 2 of them go come back next week. Ashley go come back. Ashley, Stephanie go come back. KUNLE IDOWU himself, not Frank Donga, go come back this time. Now, Ashley, if person want to follow you, this song, I don't listen to this song. Very beautiful song. Now, if person want
Spanish or English or French or all of the above.
If person want download them, where you go get them?
You just go to Jagoda or
Jagoda.com.
Yes, or to Niger Loaded.
Okay.
360
knobs.
Or to Not Just Okay.
Not Just Okay.
You can download that.
Okay. Why you not put them for iTunes? Because plenty people now they go tell you say he's on iTunes. You even get one guy where he never sing for a very long time.
He can't
bring song. He say get it on. No. You know what him vex me?
No.
Not be say he release song for iTunes.
Okay.
He say pre-order. He be like when Idris Abdul Karim now bring song. He say pre-order.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Actually, my album, my European album, the whole album, Dance on Lover, Dance on Lover is on iTunes.
Sing song for us for French. Sing song for us for French.
Even we are on iTunes.
Dance all over.
Oh,
Song
even
for
you.
French.
I know my CV.
It's on iTunes.
Sing song for us for French.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose.
Make I do ballet.
No, you're supposed to be happy video fixing.
Il me dit les mots si bas, les mots qui fait kiki, mon cœur qui bat. Quand il me prend dans ses
Rub my chest.
il me parle tout bas.
Me parle tout.
Voilà.
Tell them your Instagram handle, your Twitter.
Yes, c'est my Instagram.
Tell them your sweet. Is it Instagram and Twitter?
Okay.
No, make she sing.
Salut.
Make she
Mon
sing.
Instagram, c'est Ashley la diva. No, that's Twitter. Mon Twitter, c'est Ashley la diva.
Rub my chest.
Instagram, c'est Ashley Stephanie official.
Tell them say bye. Tell them say thank you. Je l'ai tous les vents.
Je la fais souvent.
La presse.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.